You ever feel like your brain just starts to melt when you're just about to speak? And you're totally fine until it's go down, right? And then boom. And before you know, you got shaky voice, sweaty hands, and your body completely shuts down. Hi everyone. So today, guys, I've got 6 really weird public speaking tips that sound really dumb but actually work. And I assure you, these aren't just boring, just imagine them make it kind of tips. I put myself out there for you and I tested all of them myself. And they legit help. You'll feel more grounded, sound more confident, and no soul will actually notice that you're doing them. So if you're there done with me, let's go. Wiggling your toes. Sounds ridiculous, right? But please hear me out, guys. Here's the science behind it. When you get nervous, your body pulls all its energy upward to your chest and throat. That's why you sound breathy or your voice shakes. Wiggling your toes secretly pulls your attention down. It grounds you in the present. And as a result, your brain goes, oh, we're not actually in danger. We're just standing here. Tip number 2 is speak out of breath. Before you start practicing your speech, get your heart rate up. Do jumping jacks, sprint in place, and then talk while you're breathless. Because your body reacts to stage fright the same way it reacts to cardio. By speaking under pressure, you're actually training your brain and you're saying, wait a minute, I can still do this. I can still perform this under these circumstances. I'm fine. In bonus, it feels vocal endurance so you don't run out of steam mid-presentation. Our third tip today that I swear by is to a pen. Okay guys, I want you to stick a pen in your mouth sideways and hold it there for 30 seconds. And then you can speak. Okay, so what just happened? You activated your facial muscles, your cheeks, lips, and tongue, the ones that control vocal tone and clarity. After doing this, you'll feel more expressive and definitely more natural. And your brain thinks, oh cool, we're relaxed now. Bonus, if someone walks in while you're doing it, even better. The fourth tip will be holding an invisible rock. Or not. It can actually be anything. It doesn't just have to be a rock. Right before you speak, pretend that you're holding something in your hand. And you will find that your gestures and all your expressive manner just goes way more natural. What it does is it gives you something to hold on. It gives you weight. It just stops unintentional fidgeting. You just don't play around and move around. This gives you weight.
I must say, I really felt quite distressed at not receiving an invitation.
Listen well, all of you.
This one's really fun. When you're rehearsing for your speech/public speaking, go full cartoon. Rehearse with your favorites. In that case, I did it with my opposite. Over-enunciate. Use huge gestures. Stretch your face. Get ridiculous. Fade while you dial it back to normal. You'll sound 10 times more dynamic, clear, and engaging. This forces vocal range into your muscle memory. Oh, the silence. Before you say anything, pause. Count 1, count 2, and 3. Just look at the audience. Then breathe and definitely hold eye contact. It feels awkward to you, right? But to the audience, it screams competence. It's much like saying, well, I'm in no rush. I'm so well aware of the fact that you want to hear me out. It creates anticipation. So that's basically it, guys. Just wiggle your toes, hold a pen in your mouth, and pretend you are holding Thor's hammer in your hand. Believe me, I know that these tips are weird. And that's exactly what makes them work. They hijack your nerves before your nerves hijack you. Confidence isn't natural, guys. It's trained. Try one, try them all, and before you speak next time, you won't just survive. You might actually come to like it. If this helped, guys, please hit the like button and comment below which one you're going to try. And hey, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, you precious Techtopians, and I'll see you next week.